there is some level of general maintenance we have to do. So like we can't always, I'm guessing we can't always just dedicate everyone to just process improvement. What's the best way to like practically do this? Is it like a once every quarter type of thing? Do we try to embed and maybe like segment a small team within the company to focus on this and just rotate every, couple months? What would you recommend?
From the computer modeling work that we did, we found that it only takes about 1% of your work orders being improvement work orders to really make a substantial difference and to sustain it over time. So it's a small percent of the work. The way that I find is most effective, obviously you kind of have to get the program going. So doing some of these action teams and getting it going and getting people to understand it is an important part of getting it started. But in terms of keeping it going, a lot of times actually using other work and just having this sort of don't just fix it, improve it attitude. So you're going out there to do the work anyway. You've got a broken pump. When you're looking at it, is there something we can do that will prevent defects from getting in the future? Because a lot of times the bulk of the work is in sort of getting to the equipment. To do a couple of extra things usually doesn't take a whole lot of extra time. And so that's a great opportunity to do some of these defect elimination, defect prevention type activities where it doesn't add a whole lot to your workload.
Any like suggestions for embedding that culture within the team? Because I absolutely agree. Like half of the battle is just working with the scheduler to say like, we're going to take this equipment offline. Like, how do we embed this culture within the team that says, okay, cool, I'm not just going to do whatever this work order says. I'm actually going to go a little bit above and beyond here.
Shameless plug, that's what the manufacturing game does really well, is it gets everybody on the same page. I think the key is giving people a chance to work together as cross-functional teams. And so not just like say go off site and do a team activity, that's fine, but you need ways for people to work together. And what I find is the smaller you make those opportunities, the better. Because number one, if it doesn't go well, that's okay. You haven't wasted 6 months or something like that. You've wasted an afternoon. The second thing is it gives you a chance for repetition. Because what you really want is for everyone at the site to get in the habit of doing defect elimination activities. And the only way you create habits is through repetition. And it's really hard to repeat something a lot that takes months and months to do. So if you get something that's a quick, easy type of activity, you can get a lot more repetitions.